Hey everyone, this is Nolan from Asia Pacific Gardening. Got a little bit of sad news to share. I've been training this tree for a few years now, but unfortunately it looks like it's dead. So the only thing you can really do now is just throw the tree away. So it is not dead. Don't throw a tree away just because it looks dead. Let me get my dad, Robert, here to explain why.
This tree is not dead. You can look at the tree. A lot of people, it's a common problem. They call us or bring the tree, they look like this because this color, and they're thinking the tree is dead. So carefully when you're looking at the tree like this, actually you need to looking at the bottom of the tree, looking at here. See here, still green. Why they do like this? Let me explain it, get a couple sample and walk with you step by step. Let's make a game. Let you guess what tree is still alive, what tree is dead, and we're going to show you the different thing. And you tell me, make a comment, see which one is the dead tree, which one is the live tree.
All right, let's go find some samples.
Take a look at this juniper. Guess this is the dead or live?
Let's take a closer look. I don't know. This pot's broken. Looks like it's kind of neglected. It looks pretty bad. What do you all think? Let us know in the comments from what you can see here. So what, is this dead or is this alive?
This tree, if you want to know is dead or alive, looking at the bottom. See here? Still green. This tree is getting to the dormant season. You can see the color different than the green. This is the only winter you can see this color. This means the tree is healthy and they need to go to the dormant season, because this side here they got the frost, so that changed the color. But this tree been displayed against the wall and a little bit on the cover on the other side. You can see this side is a green.
Yeah.
Look at this. So make sure your tree, if you're looking at the bottom still green, that means the tree getting brown color like this, light brown, not brown. The tree is still alive.
Yeah, we get a lot of customers who bring in their tree who looks like this, and they start getting worried it's damaged, but it's actually just dormant. And some people, when they see it like this, especially new beginners, they think the tree is getting too cold, so then they bring it inside. And should we bring in a juniper in the winter indoors?
No, juniper is our outdoor tree. Carefully, they need the cold temperature like 32 or 28, 27. That's perfect for juniper. Don't bring it indoor and waking up the tree. Then your tree will be missing the dormant season. That will be damage your tree in the next season or in the future. Not immediately damaged, but it's not good for the tree. Carefully about this part right here. So this is a live tree.
Okay, well let's look at another example. Actually, let's go outside.
Yep. There's another juniper. You can see the contrast with the moss color, with the juniper color. You can see how much the difference. This outdoor right here, and directly we already got like almost 32 degrees in the evening. So this is the color different. But guess this is the dead tree or live tree?
I don't know. This looks dead, man. What do you think, YouTube? Is this dead or is this alive?
Like again, looking at the bottom of this tree.
Oh.
See, green.
Still alive.
And this tree is not fragile. You can see it's still alive. It's really good. And you can see the reason I collect this tree right here, show you see the green and this color. That's how called the dormant season.
All right, let's find a different plant.
This is another sample for you. What do you think? Brown color, without the compare with the other, see the brown. And do you think it's alive or dead?
It's got good structure. It's been trained. What do you think, you two? Is this just dormant? Or is this DED dead? What is it?
Looking at the bottom, nothing green.
Oh, this is super dead. Look at
Super
this.
dead. This is dead tree. And let me compare what the brown color compared with the one before.
Oh yeah, that's
Let me bring it here. See?
it's a different type of brown.
Different type of the brown. That means this one toasted already.
Well, let's find a couple more examples. And this is Yo-Yo, very much alive and healthy. Because we buy the best cat food for you. Hi.
As you know, every juniper is a little bit different. It depends on what location you display, what temperature area. You know, when you against the wall or under direct open space like this is different. So, what do you think this one here? We're talking about the color different. Is
See.
this a dead or this is alive?
There's a lot of weeds growing out. This looks pretty dead.
So many people are looking at the tree like this, just give up and not water or not maintain the plant, and they forgot the plant. Then they're going to throw away the beautiful art that would be wasting you art.
Is this alive?
This is alive. Looking at the bottom.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, looking at the bottom.
Is there another way you can tell?
The other way to tell this, let me show you this. So, like here, you peel it out. See, it's still fresh.
Oh, there's some green.
Some green. Okay.
Can't
I would like to
focus.
show you the other one, the one before.
Let me take a look at this. I need to focus. So if you cut a layer of the bark, it is green. That's how you know the tree is healthy.
Yeah.
But look at this
And
dead
this
one
one
from
here.
before.
See?
Oh,
It's
that
a
is.
brown color. This means the tree is damaged already. See here? And it's really hard. No fresh. That means the tree already damaged.
Okay. Well, look at another one.
Okay. I'm bringing out this maple tree, let you compare. So, how do you know this tree is dead, alive, or dormant? What do you think?
Let's see. There's no leaves, so you can't check the underside.
What part is the dead branch is called dead? How do you know that? Look at this one here. The color, really light color, and the left light one is the red color.
Oh.
Let's go the other corner right here. See here?
Oh, that's super dead.
This is the dead branches, but this part here, red color here, is alive. Take a look. This one here. See, this called dead branches. If you have a maple tree at home and on your front yard, backyard, landscape area, see the light color like this, just very easily. See,
It just snaps off.
snap up. Yeah, this one here, same thing. See, click.
Free toothpicks.
Yeah. So that's one. Another way you can looking at the main branches right here. You don't want to take too tall from here because this is the main power for the tree. Let me show you this. Just peel. See?
Oh, super green.
It's a green.
It's like a melon.
It's a green. This technique here pretty much for almost a lot of the tree you can do that. Is know is the tree is still alive or not. Take probably from 1/3 from the root system, from the soil level right here. See if this green. Of course, you can cut it off on the bottom right here too. Green, and sometimes we cut it in the top. Is a green. If they turn brown right here, it means the top of them, the part of them is already damaged. So that's how to looking at the maple tree. So this tree is alive and dormant.
Let's look at another one.
If you're looking at from the distance of this tree, it's quite different color than summertime. And this tree, when the summertime is pot is green, but right now looking at the tree right here, I have to explain to the customer when walking to our garden right here. A lot of people think, oh, we have the dead tree displayed right here. So this is what they look like juniper during the winter time, and we've been using this on our past video, and you can look at it's quite different.
Oh, this looks super dead from here. But if you look at the bottom, wow, super green.
Look at this.
It's very green.
This is the one, the summertime, they should be green like this. And wintertime, they turn this color because this directly open space and they get the frost right now. So that's why they go to dormant season. This tree, after they go through this season, will be really healthy. And same thing, you need to maintain the tree springtime, fertilizer, water, summertime, they want more water for the tree like this. Don't give up with the tree. And looking at the bottom is a green, and the bottom is a green. See here?
Yeah, it's very healthy.
You compare the green with this color, that's quite different.
So why do so many people freak out when it's this brown color? Let's find an evergreen and compare.
So why so many people get the panic because looking at the brown color and they expect it, they like the green color like Alberta spruce like this. Different tree, different reaction in the dormant season. Alberta spruce probably not going to action like the brown color like a pertains and juniper. So this is the what green and brown. You can compare this right here. See how much they're different. The color different, but if I turn around the juniper on the back side,
Still green.
See, compare is a green. So you wait for late February in Pacific Northwest Seattle right here, or early March, they're going this color will be changed back to the green like this. Hopefully on the next couple of months we can make another video show you this tree what they look like. And this is our experience to try to share with the market people. Christmas time, a lot of people buying, you get the Christmas gift as a juniper. So don't grow juniper indoor, okay? This is outdoor tree. You can display for indoor couple days, but not keeping for the whole season. You're going to damage the tree. This is Asia Pacific Gardening. Thank you for your spot, and welcome to watch our next video. Every Friday we post it. Hopefully you like this video. Share with people, make a comment. Thank you very much.